In today's video, we're going to be putting together a flat pack kitchen. This is a pretty big kitchen, 10 by 10 by 8, so a big U-shaped kitchen. We've got about 16 boxes. I know these days a lot of people are doing their kitchens and a lot of people are buying flat pack kitchens, whether it be from IKEA or another supplier. So in today's video, we're going to show you how long it takes for two of us to put together a big kitchen like this, and you can then decide whether you want to take that aspect of the job on yourself or hire it out. So let's jump right into it. If you purchase a kitchen from one of the big box stores, they most likely were delivered in flat pack boxes like this. This image alone is enough for most homeowners to ask themselves, am I crazy? Well, maybe you are, but who am I to judge? You also may be asking yourself, what have I gotten myself into? Well, I'm here to tell you it's easier than it looks. Most manufacturers of these unassembled kitchens all use similar parts and procedures. The instructions are typically images with very little text. So if you can follow a picture book, you got this. I will admit, at first glance, inside the first box, there is a lot of pieces and it can feel a bit overwhelming, but just follow the instructions after the first 2 or 3 boxes. It'll feel completely natural and you'll be done before you know it. Alright, so first lesson after the first box, it really is hard working on the floor. It's hard on your knees, it's hard on your back. So if you can get access to a table, it'll make a world of difference and hopefully save ourselves some pain. When you're doing these types of cabinets, it's recommended you use a screwdriver so you don't over tighten or overspin something in. That does take a little extra time, and if you're cautious and you use a small drill, we use these little Bosch drills. These are really handy. It's a variable speed and it's really easy to use and not over tighten anything. And here's a pro tip for you. If you're going to take on somebody to help you out with this project, which I highly suggest, make sure it's somebody you get along with, because if it's not, they probably won't stick around.
I'm out of here.
Alright, we are finally all assembled, total of 16 boxes. It took the two of us 8 hours, which works out to an assembly time of 30 minutes per box. I don't think we broke any speed records today. At least they're all put together and ready for install tomorrow. If you want to see the complete install video of this kitchen, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Hope to see you on the next one.